Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a retail business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a retail business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first decision you must make when learning how to start a retail business is determining your company's niche. You may already know what kind of company you want to start, or you may be trying to figure out where to focus your retail business. To identify your niche market, you must first consider 1. Investigate your interests and passions, figure out what you enjoy doing or selling. 2. Identify potential conflicts. No industry is perfect, but knowing what obstacles or issues you might face in your niche will help you plan ahead and decide if an industry is a good fit for your business. 3. Think about profitability. At the end of the day, you want to make money from your retail business, so you'll need to find a profitable niche. In general, if your niche has no competitors, it usually indicates that there is no demand, and thus your focus will not be profitable. Learn more about the most profitable business ideas by using our guide. 4. Conduct competitor research. After you've identified a niche market using the previous 3 steps, it's time to conduct competitor research. Determine what you can learn from them and how you can improve on what they have to offer by observing how they market and sell. Choosing a niche can be time-consuming. Working in a specific market necessitates extensive research and a strong desire. Here are a few retail business examples to get you started in identifying your niche market. 1. Coffee shops. 2. Apparel shops such as eyewear, sports apparel, undergarments, and outerwear. 3. Restaurants and bars. 4. Bookstores. 5. Game centers such as board games, video games, and so on. 6. Monthly box subscriptions. 7. Pet supply shop. Step 2. Develop a business plan. By creating a business plan, you're giving yourself, and possibly future lenders and other stakeholders, a physical roadmap outlining every step you'll take to open and run your retail business. As a result, when developing your business plan for opening a retail store, you can begin by answering the following key questions about your business model. What types of products do you sell? Will you open a physical store, an e-commerce store, or will you sell through multiple channels? Who is your intended market, and how will you reach them? How will you distinguish your store from the competition? You'll also need to go into detail about your processes, answering questions like: who are your suppliers? How will you keep track of your inventory? How many employees will you require? What will your hiring procedure entail? What will your initial investment be? How much money will you need to get started? How long will it take you to make a profit? How long will it take you to break even? However, keep in mind that your preliminary business plan is just that, preliminary. As you gain experience with starting and running your business, you can always return to your retail store business plan to make changes, updates, and additions. Along the same lines, well before you open your doors, you should create a business budget to the best of your ability. You should be paying close attention to your startup costs at this stage. Unfortunately, if you are wondering how to start a retail business with no money, you will discover that it is extremely difficult. Although there are numerous ways to cut costs, for example, selling online rather than in a physical location, there will always be a few costs associated with starting and launching your retail store. In addition to standard startup costs such as equipment, business insurance, and payroll, if you're opening a brick-and-mortar retail store, you'll need to cover some specific costs such as a down payment, potential renovations, and monthly rent and utilities for your store. You will also be responsible for purchasing your merchandise, shipping and delivery costs, and excess inventory storage. Not to mention the other tools and software you'll need to run your business, such as a POS system, retail accounting software, and a security system to monitor shoplifting and theft. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a retail business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.